Welcome everybody. Yes, that's right. I don't make any money on that offer I'm doing now. I'm exhausted. Yeah. Yes, 12 beautiful bags of sage. Yeah. And how many is it? 3 sets of the sticks. Yeah, that's right. And a beautiful Tektite for the value of 100 to 150. Yeah, and I choose it for you. And the music as well. The music comes to you as well. Yeah. And free DHL delivery, which can be anywhere between 26 and 38. So yeah, at 140, it's a pretty good deal. That's why we're nearly sold out, and I'm exhausted, and I'm on my 4th huge sack. It's non-stop, so I've just taken a break now. Lily's, we're going to nip down to the beach, and then we're going to come back for tonight's seminar. I don't stop, do I? What am I doing? Tonight's seminar should be lovely. It's all about love, and we like love. We need a bit of love. It's about heartbreak. It's about finding love. It's about creating love. All that should be lovely. So, yeah, anyway, shut up, man. Oh, the beautiful girl. Look how gorgeous she is. Look at that beautiful girl. Look, working on the sage. I think that's my 3rd bag now. 3rd huge bag. Yeah, but I do it because I love you. I do it because you're cleansed and clear. Okay. Your angel card, your message today is... There you go. Are you ready? Yeah. It's for me as well. So, yeah, release. So close your eyes. It's not a long message, but it's a beautiful message. It's for you. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe in and feel the love of life. Breathe out and release all the worries and fears. You see, that little kind of mantra, that little trick works. It really works. And it's lovely to have the word love in there. To say that tonight at 7 o'clock Spain time, we're doing a seminar all on love. And part of the seminar is how to breathe as well. So you already got a taste of tonight. But try it, give it a go. It sounds, what are you talking about, breathe? I breathe every day. Yeah, but not with the intention like this. And most people don't actually breathe. They don't breathe through their nose and blow out through their mouth. Most people don't breathe properly at all. And the breath of life is everything. It really, truly is. You know, ask so many people. Breathing techniques, there's so many of them. Breathing when you're meditating. There's just so much about breathing that, you know, stimulates and clears and, you know, just electrifies the whole body. The miracle of breathing is incredible. It really is. So it's something for both of us today. Release and breathe, and that's what we're going to do. And I wish you all a lovely day. And if you do have time tonight to come and join us all in the live chat, it should be a lovely seminar all on love. See you tonight at 7 o'clock Spain time. Take care, everybody, and thank you so much for everybody who placed the order on this amazing offer, the cleansing kit. I really mean this. I hope it makes a massive difference in 2024. See you later.